Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Several roads have been closed in the vicinity of the St. Catherine Parish Court as the Court Administration Division and the police prepare for Traffic Ticket Day on Wednesday. The initiative is the first of its kind by the CAD to reduce the backlog of traffic tickets in the parish. We spoke with the mayor of Spanish Town, Norman Scott.
They are expecting in the region of 20,000 people to come in between 9 a.m. tomorrow morning and 9 p.m. tomorrow night to pay traffic fines. And as a result of that, the municipal corporation and the JCF have worked, collaborated with the courts, and so all the roads leading in and around the court area has been closed off.
Now, a steady flow of traffic was observed in the town center earlier today as barricades and police officers diverted motorists away from the court. Tents have been erected, bathrooms set up, and a vending area established for dry goods and hydration in anticipation of the crowd. Mayor Scott is encouraging citizens who do not live or do business in the area to use alternative routes.
As it relates to persons coming to do business at the municipal corporation, we have the list of areas that roads that are going to be blocked, and the police also have them, and so barriers will be placed at these points, so that persons will be able to understand that that is a no entry area for the time being.